Hey, hello everyone. Got a new BMW diecast model 850 CSI from the brand Shadow, I believe. Never heard of it. Comes in a 1/64 scale. So we're going to find out what we got here. I believe it comes in different colors. And as you can see, I choose for the black version. Yeah, let's take it out of the package. Just to use a knife for this. There we go. A nice box package, and I believe there is no screw. I like that. Yep, we do have some tape. There we go. What is it saying? Oh, diecast team. Interesting. I have more models from Diecast team, and they are very, very good. So here it is. Rims look very good. Very good rolling wheels. Got paint pinker here. Door handle looks also very well detailed. Side mirror with some silver on it, and we got a pretty good interior. Steering wheel is standing in a little bit of a weird position, but the steering wheel itself is authentic. Yeah, good details for the middle console, and also the interior, the seats look very well. Yeah, I believe these lights that we got here, you can open them. See, here is... Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see if I... So, I do the front. And I do that with the other side. A little bit more. Yep. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I like that. And yes, plastic base, but with a silver exhaust. Yeah, this is definitely a winner. Alpine. Blacked out lens lights here in the back. Oh, this is really good. Fantastic, well done. Diecast team / Shadow. Okay, let me know what you think. Don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. Thank you so much and have a very good day. Bye.